Chances are you have a Facebook profile right now, right? Most people do, especially if you clicked on this video, and you may have, a few hundred friends all the way up to 5,000 friends. Well, these people are potential buyers, okay? We can actually market and promote to these people, this list of people, and start to make sales online. Now, before you freak out and you think, I don't know how to sell, I don't want to bother these people, I don't know how to, get products and things like that to promote. Not to worry. As you stick through this video, I'm going to share with you all that and more. So what you want to do is you want to go to your Facebook profile first off, okay? And once you're on there, you want to realize that you can post anything, okay? Pictures or text. And what we want to do is we want to create a post that's just going to attract interested people that are going to be more than likely open to checking out what we're promoting. So the very first step is to get a product to promote, because if you want to make money online, especially make your first $1,000, we need to promote something online that when we refer someone to that product, the company owner is going to pay us a portion of that money, and that's how we're going to be making our money. So how do we find products? Well, I've covered it a lot on my channel, but there's a few key places you can go. The first is called ClickBank. Now, ClickBank is a very popular affiliate site, a site where you can find affiliate products to start promoting in all different categories. Okay, so they have arts and entertainment, business and investing, and you can kind of choose, especially if you have a lot of friends in a certain category. Maybe you have a lot of friends that are into, health and fitness. Well, you can choose products in health and fitness and promote those. But for the sake of demonstration, let's just use e-business and e-marketing. This is how to make money online, which is what I mostly do, which is what most people that watch this will probably do. So what you want to do is, if you haven't created an account and you want to use ClickBank, you just go up there and create a free account. Now, once you're inside, you would just go up to the top. There's a tab called Marketplace. And once you click that, you can go over here, choose e-business, e-marketing, or health and fitness, home and garden. And then they're going to list all these different products, okay? And what you can do is you can filter by gravity. Gravity is going to basically be a ranking on how many other affiliates are selling this successfully, because you want to find products that other people are already selling very well, because you know that if you promote it, you have a good chance of selling it well also. So if you go from high to low, gravity, you're going to see right here that this product, okay, if I zoom in, has a gravity of 193, okay, which is really good. This has 124. On ClickBank, anything above 50 is going to be really good. And you would just go through here. If you wanted to promote one, you would hit promote, generate hop links, and there you go. This is your affiliate link that you would give people once we get them interested, okay? Now, another place you can find products is called jvzoo.com. Now, JVZoo is another big affiliate platform for products. You could actually go on there, create an account, and once you're inside, there's going to be a list of different products. Now, for JVZoo, you just hit this button, okay, request approval, and once you do, you're going to be able to either get approved or not approved. More than likely, you'll get approved, and then you can start promoting products. You'll get your own link, and you can do it that way. Now, the last place, though, that you can actually promote products or get products to promote rather, is an independent affiliate program. Now, I'm going to include my #1 recommended one in the description below. The reason I like that one is, unlike ClickBank, unlike JVZoo, the one below actually pays you instantly, so you don't have to wait 7 days up to 30 days to get paid, and it pays you 100% commission. So basically, when you make a sale, you're going to get all that money deposited into your bank account, okay? So if you want to find out more information on what I'm personally using, what I'm promoting right now, you can find out more at the link below. But now what I want to share with you is, how can we start going to our Facebook profile and making our first $1,000? Well, what you want to realize is, the very simple strategy is, when you post on Facebook, essentially you're posting an ad. And what this ad is going to do is get people interested in what you're promoting. So you want to use curiosity. You don't want to use the name of the product in the actual post. You don't want to share too much information, because people are going to be able to either research it themselves, or they're going to, find out what it is and they may not be interested. So what you want to do is, you want to post something that's going to pique interest as well as show results. Okay, now how do we get results if we haven't personally used the product? Well, this is where it gets really sneaky, okay? There's two powerful ways to find results that you can share on your profile to get people interested. And then once people get interested, you can send them your affiliate link, and then a portion of those people are gonna decide to buy, okay? Now, how do we get results? There's two places. A, you can go to the actual sales page, okay? So if I go to promote and I generate hop links, if I go to the actual affiliate sales page, oftentimes, okay, on these sales pages, they will have results. They will have testimonials. They will have screenshots. Okay, if I watch this video, chances are they'll probably show results in here that I could screenshot. Okay, so that's the first place. The second place is Facebook groups. So when you join a really good affiliate program, oftentimes they'll have Facebook groups that you can actually become a part of to stay motivated, to get help, but you can also see people getting results. So if I go into the affiliate program that I'm really doing well with, a lot of my members are just crushing it with. If I go into this Facebook group, you can see that it has over 5,800 members. Now, if you go to this group and you hit photos, okay, it's gonna take you to all these different photos. Now, all you wanna do is look for people posting results, okay? So in this group, you know, so many people are crushing it with the simple training that we give everyone when they join. And so basically people are getting results left, right, and center. Here's a guy, okay, got my first $1,000 commission. So I could screenshot this, okay, or I could just snip it right here using a snipping tool. I could take this picture, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna post this on our actual profile, okay? You would upload the picture. And then all you're gonna do on the text is say something like, hey, you know, this program is amazing. It's gotten this person this result. If you want to learn more, comment info, okay? And you're just telling the person to comment below for more information. And once they do, all you're going to do is message those people your affiliate link, okay? This is really, really powerful and incredibly simple. And this is how I personally made my first $1,000 online, and anyone can do this. Now, if I show you an example, way back in October 4th, 2018, okay, I've been doing this for years now, I took a screenshot of one of my teammates, okay, on Terrion, and he said, starting to see consistent $2,000 days. Okay, so using the program, when you click that link below, you're gonna find out how you can earn up to $2,000 with one referral. And that's really gonna be the easiest way to hit $1,000 online. Your first $1,000 is just make a sale that's $1,000, right? But anyway, I took a screenshot of this and I just shared it. Woohoo, teammate made $2,000 in a single day. I saw it, you know, love it. Now, I didn't even tell them to comment info. Usually you want to do that, but check this out. Info, I'm in man, good stuff, info, okay, how. Now, all I did with these people is I just messaged, okay, or if I go to this person, I just messaged them my affiliate link. I said, hey, check this out, and I sent them the link. And a portion of them decided to buy, and that's how I'm able to, okay, make money. This is one of the many strategies we teach you actually at the link below is Facebook, okay? So if you liked this video and you liked learning exactly how to start making your first $1,000 using only a Facebook profile, smash the like button to let me know. It also helps with the algorithm. More people can learn how to actually start creating real results online. Also subscribe below so you never miss out on my latest step-by-step money-making training. And last but not least, if you're watching this and you're sick and tired of getting missing pieces, right? You join something, you're left out to dry, you're stranded. If you want to finally lock arms with a movement that's here for you, that's going to share with you every single step, nothing left out to really create the results you want online, click the first link below and go ahead and get started with that. And I really think you're going to love it. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.